If I had only 60 seconds to reach the whole world, I would say we all are dying, everyone at a different pace. Maybe your dad's dying faster than your mom. Question is, how fast are you? Not how fast are you dying, but how fast are you achieving your dreams? 60 seconds, 60 minutes, 24 hours, 52 weeks, 365 days. What are you making of this numbers? Well, fuck this questions. What if you took the first step right now to count your life in weeks, to count your days in seconds, to count your minutes in breaths? What if you actually start believing in your dreams? Surely you and we will face a lot of challenges. Sometimes we would want to quit. Sometimes we would be drunk on our success. Some days we would not want to leave the bed. But one day we would want to rule the world. And what if that day is today?